Hey everybody, it's Mucha Marapa from Matrix Global Media, and in this video I'm going to show you how simple it is to add video to a WordPress website in particular. Now, what I have done in a previous video is highlight this project that we were working on towards the tail end of 2012 and the start of 2013, and the benefit of having a good WordPress theme to use, how easy it makes your life. But just to make some very simple additions and updates on WordPress is very simple as well. So what I want to focus on in this video is this page here, where Charlene Nelbar had gone ahead and put together some really terrific short clips of some of their sort of work in progress. So somebody would be actually in the shop and they'd be working on it. And I think, you know, video in particular is so powerful. It's powerful for a number of reasons. Number one is obviously if people aren't there in person, I beg your pardon, they can see how great a job is being done. But secondly, these videos can go viral very quickly. And you know, Google, the guys at Google love video, and they love YouTube in particular. So what we have done here is we've created a YouTube page, a YouTube channel for Charlene Nelbar. Now, I talk a lot about social media optimization and how to set things up properly, but as you can see here, there's some links to the website, to the Facebook page, to the Twitter page as well. But this is what we are sort of focusing on at the moment, these videos here. And as you can see, 52 seconds, 2.5 minutes, or 3.5 minutes, something like that, and then another one that's only 24 seconds. So what we want to in effect do is we want to put those videos, or one of the videos, I want to show you how to put a video on this page here. Now, in my previous tutorial, we discussed and I showed you the quote-unquote back end, how easy it is to sort of go in the back. You start with logging in, putting in little password codes and admin identification, and then you just it really is as simple as in some places just copying and pasting, no different from using Microsoft Word. So on this occasion, what we're going to do is we are going to go to Pages. Now, this will list all the pages that we have created for the website. Some you can see when you go straight to this website here with some of the headers. Some you can't. Some are hidden, and we use that for certain marketing initiatives where we want to get hidden landing pages and so on. But over here, this is the page we want to use on this occasion. So there it is, it says videos, and you can see a blank page here. Now this is the interesting thing. This is once I'd got over my initial fear that I had about, you know, trying to design pages and understanding this and just getting over that mental hurdle, for want of a better word. This just reminds you of like WordPress, doesn't it? You know, you've got bullet points, you've got numbers, you've got, you know, colors, you've got fonts, you've got, you know, you name it, it's here. So this is, for example, now where we say, okay, view some of our videos that show us at work doing what we do best. Now again, this is just, you know, this could be anything, but let's just say I want to go over here and I want to make it bold. There you go, it's bold, and we could make it larger, smaller, and so on and so forth. And again, if we go over to the actual page itself, actually I forgot to save it here. I go update, so that is just saving this now. Okay, so you can see it here. So if I actually go now to the site itself and I refresh the page, there you go. View some of our videos that show us at work doing what we do best. So now what we need to do is put the videos there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, and I am in the YouTube channel here, and I'm going to go to Video Manager. Right, so this has given me the choice of channels of videos to use. So I'm going to choose this first one. Now this is the video playing, and you can see that there's a discussion on what the therapist is actually doing. But where we focus in here is we go to share and we click that on. Now that gives us the link over here, and you see it's got a link, so anytime we could send this out in an email, we could put it on our Twitter feed, any of that sort of stuff, which is great. But we're going to focus on embed. Okay, and what we're going to do here now, this is where it can just really become so creative. You can change the size of the video if you want, you can make it certain sizes, but for the moment we're just going to use this default, and we take this code here, we copy and we paste it. Now we head back to the dashboard of the website. Okay, now if you remember, we were making over here, I wrote some words down, okay, which was no different from Microsoft Word with the bullet points and the fonts and so on and so forth. Okay, but what we actually want to do now here, that was text. We actually want to, I beg your pardon, yep, that was visual. Now we want to go over to this area here. Let me just make sure I've got this right. Yep, the visual, that's the text. And you can see some sort of different stuff here. You see code and all these other things. Whereas when we were over on the visual part, okay, we were seeing an awful lot of words, you know, and fonts and so on and so forth. So we just click on, so we're over here now, okay, and what we want to do is, this is in effect the area that will welcome code and HTML. So I'm pasting over in here, and I go ahead and I update it. And then when I move down once again onto the page, here it is, and I'm going to refresh that page, and voila, there is the video underneath there. View some of our videos, and as you can see, you know, we could put more than one on there, we could put several on there, but now anybody can just come onto the website and see that same video. And probably underneath we could say something along the lines of, hey, listen, if you would like more videos, if you'd like to see more, just go ahead to our YouTube channel. They could click on the YouTube channel, which takes them there as well. Alright, so it just gives you great access. So what I'm also trying to do, in addition to showing you how easy it is to actually put something on your website, it's also incredibly significant to get a YouTube channel. Not necessarily because you are always going to put things on YouTube itself, although I highly and strongly recommend you do, but YouTube is becoming universally accepted with things like WordPress, with things like Facebook, with things like Twitter, where you can take the code of your video and put it on other platforms. So I hope this has helped you. Another compelling reason for you to get familiar with WordPress. Really learn it. It's so great to be able to put up pages, videos, multimedia, PDFs, and I'll be very happy to continue to teach you and show you the different ways that you can do that. So until next time, this is Mucha Marapa from Matrix Global Media. We'll speak again soon.